In a faraway galaxy, in a land of twinkling stars, lived a little boy named Luke, who loved to explore. One day, he met someone new, a figure in black. His name was Darth Vader, and he wore a dark cloak. Luke was curious, he asked to know more about the mystery man, who had appeared before. Darth Vader smiled, and shared his story of a world ruled by darkness, a reality. I used to be kind, gentle, and fair. But then I was seduced by a dark, sinister lair. Now I fight for the dark side, to keep the galaxy in line. But I wish to help, to make it shine. I believe in you, Darth Vader, said Luke. Together we can help the galaxy, and for the good, not for the brook. Darth Vader nodded, and they set off that day to bring light and hope to their faraway way. They faced many challenges, but never lost heart. For they knew they were making a difference, a new start. Together they battled the darkness, and brought the light. In a galaxy far, far away, they shone ever so bright. And so, Luke and Darth Vader became the best of friends. Fighting for the galaxy, the adventure never ends. At night, they'd sit under the stars, and share tales of their adventures, in the galaxy of their tales.